Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to file estimated quarterly taxes. First, understand that estimated taxes are for income not subject to withholding, such as earnings from self-employment, interest, dividends, or rent. If you expect to owe at least $1,000 in tax, you likely need to pay estimated taxes. This helps you avoid a large tax bill and potential penalties at year-end. We'll guide you through the process step by step. Generally, self-employed individuals, freelancers, and those with substantial income from investments or other sources not subject to withholding must pay estimated taxes. To calculate, estimate your total income, deductions, and credits for the entire year. The IRS Form 1040-ES includes a worksheet to help you accurately figure your estimated tax liability. Aim for at least 90% of your current year's tax, or 100% of your prior year's tax. You have several convenient options for paying your estimated taxes. You can pay online using IRS Direct Pay through your tax software, or by mailing a check with a payment voucher from Form 1040-ES. Remember the quarterly deadlines: April 15th, June 15th, September 15th, and January 15th of the following year. If a due date falls on a weekend or holiday, the deadline moves to the next business day. Failing to pay enough estimated tax throughout the year can result in underpayment penalties. To avoid these, ensure you pay at least 90% of your current year's tax liability or 100% of your prior year's tax. There are exceptions, so always check IRS guidelines. Staying on top of your quarterly payments helps you avoid surprises and keeps you compliant. Also, for a smarter home, check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. You can find a link to this and other great deals in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.